Regina. Regina. Do you? I guess. Almost. The repair tool really isn't very much use. Unless I had to have it equipped to do this. I don't know. No. Hello, titty. Do you? My inventory full. Get log and wheel holder. Oh, I have to do work. Yeah. It's called a survival game for a reason. Titty. Oh my eyes are starting to get tired. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. I guess I'll eat it. It's fucking nasty. Oyster's gross. I've I haven't eaten it, but I got it. I forgot where. I think some weird cheap deal. And I looked at it and it was so slimy and gross I could not fucking eat it. It's like if mucus combined with flesh. Hello. A boopy. I'll be fine. Yeah. What? What's this? Huh. Oh, you think you're done, huh? You think that was all? I'm creating a new hell for you. Specifically you. Why? Because I want to. Sitting on the death traps, I see. What a daredevil. What? That can happen? Weird. Yeah. But still one viewer. Epical. Epicsticles. Epsticles. Epstein. How did Epstein get rich? I wish I had someone in chat to ask that and to answer me that. I have no idea. All I know is he was a pedophile and he ran an island. He owned an island and a bunch of famous people went and fucked kids on it. And he somehow got away with it even though it's one of the most hated things ever. Did she just like flash me her tits off screen? What was that? I wanna... Please tell me it triggered the traps. Damn it. My fucking arrow. Needed some damn food anyways, whatever. Give me the arm. There we go. Don't walk on it, you idiot. Okay, she's fireproof. Whatever, then. At least that's more food. The fuck? All I have is the one arrow. This ain't good. Oh, you're coming this way. Damn it. I guess I could use some more food. Any more around here? There is. There actually is. And a weird mutant. Weird fucking meatball guy. I'm good. Thinking. What was I just doing? Oh. Any way to upgrade? No. There's not really an upgrade system like there was before. My woman! But I'm gonna die, so... Nom nom. Okay, I thought that was someone running behind her for a second. Weird meatball mutant. Fuck you. Okay, I'm going back in here. I have to think. I have tape, yeah? Make another one in case I lose it. I need more tape. Oh, this worked. Ow, it hurt me that time. That's no good. Fuck that. Whoops. I need to make more traps anyways. I keep all the shadows move. I keep thinking that they're fucking coming after me. Jesus. It really makes you paranoid. Excuse me? Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. That means there's more if it's that guy. No! No! God fucking damn it! Oh my god, I can't do anything now. They're not gonna fucking respawn me. Or not respawn, they're not gonna fucking heal me. I don't. If any of my walls are gone when I get back, I'm gonna be maximum pissed off. Get my shit and kill them. Medicine, hell yeah. Honestly, if I could just loot this place, it doesn't matter if I die again right now. Because I can just get the loot and run. Would I be interested in custom designs? Not really, I'm good. Thanks for the offer though. And it is nice to see someone in chat. Your weakness was mourning your dead friend that I just killed in front of you. Choose a fucking song and stick with it. Oh god, that guy was nuts. My friend, my tit lady. I gotta save her. That's what I fucking thought. Run. Run so I can get my weapons and actually kill you. How do I save her? How do I save her? Oh, she's better. Okay. Who just gets up? Ah! Oh god, I hate that thing. That was a weak scream. No, god damn it. I'm gonna peel my skin off and throw it at them as a web attack. That'd be a pretty neat game mechanic. And you like pull it back on, it latches back on, you gain your health back. At least it's just one song now. I will chip his health away. Where did he go? I'm gone. It'd be neat if you could kill off the cannibals, like, completely, or at some point, or not completely, but, like, they'd be hiding. It'd be really, really hard to do it. And, like, they repopulate a lot faster when they kill more of them or something. That'd be a cool thing. Like I said, it'd be a lot of processing power, so that would make it lag. Hmm. Well, that was that same campsite. Everything just respawned, I guess. No, I can hear him. No, no, no. Get in the fucking house. Get in the house now. Oh, my skin. Ah, my muscles tensed up. I can't sleep. Oh, it's so fucking eerie. I hate it. Just get out of here. Get. Go on, get. I want to be able to sleep in the game. God damn it. Can that fucking idiot cannibal just leave? Wait, I see him. What's he doing? He just hitting shit? Get out of here. Does that alert them to where I am? If he breaks shit, I'm entering cheat mode. And killing him. Pop some pills. Okay, pill, Papa. Yay. He's still out there? Before I head out, I will fucking load this save if he kills me again. Come on. Damn it! I'm loading the fucking save. That's some shit. Post. Continue. This. Start. 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 Okay. I wish I could just load it from in the menu, like a quick load. Like fucking Skyrim had that, but I guess Skyrim's a lot simpler. And a lot less graphics, I guess. I don't know. Is that some stupid copyright garbage? Don't fucking run at me, you bitch! Oh. No, I'm doing the cheese. Fuck you. Where are you? Where are you? Bitch. Where is he? He dead? He actually dead this time? Saving? Wait, no. Neaten that back up. Don't want my house to collapse. No, I'm gonna sleep first. Okay, so he is actually dead. Good. Bitch. Fucking bitch. I like how my fucking spear is just gone. Totally great. Totally fair. But what did he break? Nothing? Alright. Why are you just sitting there? Give me some logs. Get logs. Bill holder. I need to eat Messidin. So I don't have a bullshit death. I guess I never opened them. Or no, they respawned or some shit. Cool. Actually really fucking cool. Squirrel. I hate that fucking squirrel. It makes my fucking skin panic. Freaked me the fuck out. Oh wait, no, he was back here. I hit him through the wall. Can I pick up the fucking leg, please? No? Awesome. Not interactable anymore. Amazing. Wow. I fucking hate that. That makes no sense. Whatever. Just give him more work to do. Okay. I already know how to solve that. You ass. Let's give him more work.
Oh, mama gay.
No! No. I do like that he's broken, but I hate that he exists. I'm hiding. I need to build a fuck ton of traps over there. No! Again, if I die from this guy, I'm just resetting. Or not resetting, but like... Yep, that's why I saved. Fucking, they keep showing up. Hold on. Sons of the Forest God mode. How? How to enable cheats. Couple of mods. God damn it, I don't want to get mods. Ah. At least I can make me a few arrows. The only way to really beat him. I'm gonna make another fucking door. Whatever. I'll just let him rot. God, it's fucking annoying. Why'd you stop working? Get logs and fuel holder. I killed that thing, you do work. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh yeah, I need to make a ton of traps. To kill these assholes. Where was... I'm completely losing track of everything. Okay, that's where they're coming from. That's where I'll put the traps. A ton of these. They do apparently a lot of damage. Honestly, I'm gonna switch him over to building these, because these are more important right now. Fucking squirrels. Where'd he go? Build finished structures. That's more important right now. And I'm gonna work on the wall. Dang. At least it always works on the cannibals. He's walking like he shit himself. Sleep. Jeez. Oh no, that's worse. Why'd I wake up? Don't tell me there's cabinals. I thought it was already kind of nighttime. It was getting dark. I'm just gonna hide. Doesn't matter that I'm starving and thirsting, I'm just gonna hide. Let Kelvin make the traps.